Okay guys, we are working on an iPad today. Customer essentially had it all banged up on the back casing, the plate. So instead of just banging it out, we ordered a brand new back case and we're swapping it all out. Typically, our customers are just happy with it being functional, but this customer wanted this to be flawless. So as always, we listen to the customer, even though it's going to be a more expensive part and more time involved. Right now, Aleem is essentially going part by part here and being as careful as possible to get the speakers off so we can swap it. And this is pretty much all the rest of the parts here. We have the other speaker, we have the board. You can see the A12X board here.
Yep, and this is what the battery looks like on an iPad.
Cool. Got the battery. All brand new stuff, because this thing came in warped. Yeah. Aleem, what was the issue when he came in? Was it he just dropped it to death, or what was
yeah,
it?
he so the actual home button was actually depressed because it fell on where the home button was, so
Okay.
that caused it to constantly reboot. So
Got it.
Instead of just fixing that and having it cosmetically bad, as you said, he wanted it to look perfectly brand new. So we're
Okay.
replacing the entire thing.
Perfect. All right. We'll let you do your thing. We just wanted to give the people a look here. All right. Until next time.